Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with the Samsung M70H Mini LED Smart TV. I bought this TV from Amazon using the link in the description. So if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same Amazon link for the best price and available offers. The first thing that impressed me was the picture quality. The mini LED display produces bright highlights, deep blacks, and vibrant colors, making movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos look incredibly detailed and lifelike. Samsung's Vision AI companion and 4K processor do a great job of enhancing picture quality automatically. Even lower resolution content looks cleaner and sharper, so everything you watch feels more enjoyable. One feature I really liked is the pure spectrum color technology. Colors look rich, natural, and vibrant without appearing overdone. Whether you're watching nature documentaries, sports, or animated movies, the picture looks fantastic. For gaming, this TV performs really well. The motion Xcelerator with DLG 120Hz makes gameplay feel much smoother and more responsive. Fast-moving action looks clear, making it a great choice for PS5, Xbox Series X, or PC gaming. Watching movies is also a great experience. Bright scenes stand out beautifully. Darker scenes retain good detail, and the overall contrast gives the TV a premium feel. The smart TV experience is fast and easy to use. Apps open quickly, navigating through menus feels smooth, and finding your favorite streaming content is simple. The design is another highlight. With its slim bezels and modern look, the TV fits nicely into almost any living room or entertainment setup. Now the honest part, to get the best gaming experience from the 120Hz mode, you'll need a compatible gaming console or PC. And while the built-in speakers are good for everyday use, adding a soundbar could provide an even more immersive movie experience. Overall, the Samsung M70H Mini LED TV offers excellent picture quality, smooth gaming performance, and a great smart TV experience. It's an excellent choice if you're looking for a premium 4K TV for movies, streaming, and gaming. If you're thinking of buying it, check the Amazon link in the description for the latest price and available offers.